Hello, art students. Today we're going to make a house with shapes. Do you see a lot of shapes in here? Can you find any squares? Well, we're going to start with a square. Do you see any triangles or circles? Well, that's what we're going to make today, a shape, house, and landscape. You will need a paper and a pencil, and I'm going to use chalk, but you may use crayon or marker, whatever you like. Now you will use pencil. I'm going to use Sharpie so that you can see it really good. Okay, I already told you that the first shape is going to be a square. So I'm going to go slow and careful, and you will too, to make a square. We know a square has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. It makes a box shape. Now we're going to make a triangle on top. Line up and line over. There's our triangle. Now I'm going to make something, and I want you to think about what shape is it. It's not like it's close to a square, but it's not a square because it's very, very long. What shape is that? That's a rectangle. And here's a little itty bitty circle for the handle. Now I want to add some windows. And you'll be doing that too in your drawing. Now I am making more squares for these windows. Four sides again. Four sides and 4 windows. I'm going to add another detail. I'm going to add a line down the middle of each one and a line across. It's nice in drawing to think of extra details that you can add. Now this is kind of interesting. In the square, I made 4 more squares. 4 more, 4 more, 4 more. So now we have a lot of squares. Now I thought it would be fun to add some triangle trees like we have in this picture. So I'm going to do a tall, skinny triangle and a little trunk there. And I'm going to do a bigger one here. And then a little one right over here. And I thought of another circle we can use. What's that? Of course, it's a sun. So we have a lot of shapes in our picture. So now it's time to color. And you can pick any colors you want. I'm going to pick orange for the main part of the house. Do you see how I'm carefully going around the windows? Because I'm going to put a different color on them. And chalk is fun because it's nice and bright. Now another thing you do not have to do, but I just like to show you new ideas, is you can use your finger or a little Kleenex to rub on that chalk and rub it in. So I'm just going to take my finger, I guess that one's not too dirty, and just rub that in. Doesn't that look awesome? It fills in all the white spaces. And if you make a little bit of a mess, like I made a little mess there, you just take your eraser and you can make it disappear. Now you don't want to rub your hand through it. So I usually just do that to kind of shake it, or I carefully brush the little eraser bits away. All right, what else should I do? I'm gonna do a green roof. It's fun to pick the colors. In fact, this is my third house drawing, and I picked different colors every time I did it. Remember, you don't have to rub it. Some people don't like to get messy. So it's just if you think it would be fun. All right, now for these windows, I'm going to put light blue in them. I'm kind of streaking it because I feel like windows kind of look streaky sometimes. Now onto the trees. I actually want them to look kind of rough and textury, so I'm not going to rub them in. You see me putting my hand down here, not there, because then my hand and my artwork can get very messy. I like with chalk that you can go so fast. I'm gonna put a little sidewalk there. And there's so many things more you could add. You could add flowers or bushes, different things. You could even add like a little dog or cat running by. And there you go, your house with lots of shapes. So have a fun time drawing it, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.